Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Miss.
Okay, so as usual, today we are going to do evaluation. I will start from the summary points.
Okay.
Okay, for summary points, you may open the laptop. Okay, we start from science. Science. Can you explain about alkalis?
Okay, Miss. So for this week, our topic is new topic, new chapter from chapter 9. It's about acids and alkalis. So
About
acids, Miss.
acids.
Uh,
Why
acid.
don't you put here
Already, Miss.
alkalis only?
Tuesday, go up.
Oh, okay. Okay, we start from acids first.
So the acid one is the substance that dissolve in water, and it will form the acidic solution that the materials, the taste will be sour, while the alkalis is bitter.
Alkalis bitter.
Then we can found acid in food like oranges and lemons, and it's also in living things like stomach acid. And the properties of acid is corrosiveness, so it can harm our. Do not touch the strong acid with your bare hands because it can harm your body.
From what level? From what level?
The strong acidness. So acid can be weak acid, can be strong
We
acid.
cannot measure.
Actually, there is the classify for the strong acid is like sulfuric acid, and for the weak acid like asam cuka, like that.
So if the level is still low,
Yeah, it's okay.
it's okay for
It's
us.
okay, it's okay. Then also when it's weak with metals, it will produce a gas, hydrogen gas with carbonates.
Okay, so for this acid, how can we know that it will be good for us or it will harm us? How can we know? Because we cannot touch, right?
How to say? Actually,
Do we have the tools? Maybe.
Actually, we have indicators to measure which one is the strong one, which one the weak one. And
So what will we
don't
use?
sell the strong acid in everywhere, so you cannot buy it like that. So for only for the weak.
For some reasons, maybe for experiment,
Yeah,
they will give it. I mean, how can we measure? By using
indicators.
indicators.
We use indicators.
I mean, what kind? Is it like paper or?
Yeah, it can be litmus paper.
Oh.
It can be litmus paper. It can be pH scale.
Oh yeah. I ever seen that. How about alkalis?
Alkalis here is. What is it? So it's also fine in our household, in soap and also washing powder, cleaning products, and the taste is bitter.
Shampoo?
Soap, miss.
Soap. Oh.
Sunlight, and other things. And here there are indicators. Indicators is
Same like acids, yeah.
Yeah, same. So if you use litmus paper, so there are two colors of litmus paper. First is blue, and second is red. If it's acidic, it will be turn the blue one into red, and red still red.
Oh, okay.
But if it is alkalis, it will turn the red one into blue, and blue still blue. So acid is red, alkalis is blue.
It's blue.
Yeah.
This one? The example of indicators?
Yeah, so example of indicators, we can use litmus paper and also the rich cabbage extract. So
have you ever tried?
Actually, there's the experiment later, so I'm still asking.
Is this for your project later?
Yeah, to our project later.
So what will you need? What will you use?
I use the litmus paper, miss. Litmus paper. Then there are some solution like lime water, coffee, milk. Then we will test it. Which one is alkalis, which
alkalis.
one is acid, like that.
Acid. Oh.
But let's see, Mr. Shafi'i will perform.
But you have a plan that you
Yeah,
want
already.
to
I already
try this. Okay, so now we move to English.
What happened? English.
This one. Okay. Okay, please explain 5 of these summary
Yes.
points.
With this English.
Yes.
Okay, so for this week, still about music. About
Music.
yeah, music. Last week or also music that Lucy go to concert, and now it's about the cultural dances.
Dance.
Dance. So there are tango dance. It's from Argentina. It's mean man and woman dance together, and it will be held every 11 December.
Every 11 December.
Yeah, they will dance in a hall, in a park. Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
yeah, they will dance. So it's a type of dance from Argentina. Then the second dance is whirling dervish. It's a spiritual dance from Turkey. So there are people, so many people.
They will gather.
Yeah, together dancing, then feel the spiritualism
Okay.
from Turkey. So here the third one, dancer will
So
wear
when is the time
for
the spiritual dance from Turkey?
it's every October.
Every October. The dates is up to them.
Yeah. For number 3, so when they are dancing, they will wear the special costume for
Okay,
the
so for
performance.
tango, what kind of costume that they will
It's
wear?
T-shirt and trouser.
T-shirt,
Yeah, shirt. It's yeah. That's
shirt or t-shirt?
shirt. I mean
Oh.
shirt.
Shirt and trouser.
Yeah.
For girl
trouser.
also.
Huh?
For woman also.
Yeah, miss.
Oh yeah.
There's the
They
picture.
they don't wear skirt.
No.
Oh.
Trouser.
And for the whirling dervish dance, what kind of costume?
There's no.
There's no information from the
There's
book.
no information.
I mean, you need to find out, right?
Okay, miss.
And then
And then which one?
the step.
Oh, so the step dance is from Ireland. So they will move their body step by step.
Is it like in the movie that the girl will step on
Yeah, like that.
the man's feet? Oh yes.
From Ireland.
So the man will lead the movement like that.
Yeah, miss. But actually, there's no picture. Only later I will try to search first.
Yes, I mean, you will explain both of yeah.
No. There are 3.
3
Yeah, tango, whirling dervish, and step dance.
step dance.
Yeah, it's different.
Oh, this is from Ireland.
Yeah.
Okay. So is it same with the tango and whirling dervish? I mean, like the dance
The step
or
dance different.
different?
Because different
What can
country.
make what can makes them different? For the step dance, we have known like usual, right? The girl or the woman will step on the boys or the man's feet. How about the tango dance?
Tango dance?
And the whirling dervish. How?
Tango dance is man and woman, miss.
Yes,
Dancing
we know.
together.
And then maybe like the movement, is it same like the step dance?
No.
How about the whirling dervish?
The movement.
Okay, you need to find out, Ines, yeah? Search here.
Okay.
3 kinds of these dances. All right, now we move to IPA. IPA, there's a summary point, yes. So what did you do? What will you do, I mean?
IPA review from Splash IPA.
About? Tentang apa nih IPA ini?
Masih tentang klasifikasi hewan dan tumbuhan. Nanti ada teksnya tentang platypus.
Platypus. Platypus ini seperti apa ini?
Platypus itu hewan yang unik. Biasa kan mamalia itu melahirkan. Tapi dia termasuk hewan yang bertelur, tapi termasuk ke golongan mamalia. Kenapa? Karena dia memiliki kelenjar susu sehingga dia menyusui anaknya.
Walaupun dia bertelur.
Iya, jadi itulah keunikan si platypus ini. Terus ada
Oke.
juga nanti tentang koala, di mana itu masuk ke dalam eh, kelompok marsupilia. Koala dan kanguru artinya hewan berkantung. Hewan berkantung, di mana kantung itu digunakan untuk tempat anaknya berkembang biak di dalam. Jadi setelah dilahirkan, anaknya masuk lagi ke dalam kantung karena perkembangannya belum sempurna. Jadi mereka perlu, jadi kayak nggak bisa dilepas begitu lahir, ya udah keluar dari perut ibunya, nggak, dia masuk lagi ke dalam kantung ketika waktunya tiba.
Seperti selimut lah ya bagi anaknya.
Iya, untuk dia mungkin bulunya atau tubuhnya belum cukup hangat untuk langsung keluar. Jadi ibunya masih perlu untuk membackup anak-anaknya sampai anak-anaknya nanti udah cukup kuat, baru anak-anaknya bisa
dilepas
hidup.
gitu ya. Ya, saya juga pernah baca tentang platypus ini. Ini kalau tidak salah seperti bebek ya.
Iya, dia ada muncungnya, ada parutnya gitu, Miss. Tapi dia punya kelenjar susu, itulah keunikannya, sehingga dia nggak bisa dimasukkan ke dalam aves. Kan harusnya kalau yang bertelur itu kan dia sejenis burung masuk ke dalam aves, nggak bisa karena dia menyusui. Jadi dimasukkanlah. Meskipun sebenarnya mamalia itu harus melahirkan. Jadi dia ini unik, bertelur tapi mamalia gitu.
Iya. Ini juga perlu cari tahu lebih lagi tentang platypus ini karena saya juga ada pernah baca bahwa platypus ini memiliki racun yang lumayan sangat berbahaya, lumayan berbahaya lah bisa dibilang. Untuk apa namanya? Untuk bertarung, apalagi musim kawin. Jadi Miss perlu cari gitu kan. Jadi menurut saya IPA ini menarik ya dibahas. Apalagi kalau kita beri penjelasan lebih lagi, mereka pasti tertarik mempelajari ini. Jadi tidak salah kalau kita cari tahu lagi tentang platypus, tentang kanguru ini lagi. Gitu. Okay. Now we move to vocabulary without seeing the laptop. So, what is corrosive, Miss? This is science first.
Corrosive means is a substance that can damage the material, damage or eat away the materials, like the acid, sulfuric acid from the acid rain. So you need to be careful.
We need to?
Because be careful with these acidic things, with the corrosive things, because actually it can harm not only plants, it can harm the buildings.
The building?
Yeah.
Oh,
yes. Also for the strong acid, actually from the strong corrosive.
So, can this kind of things like corrosive break the the iron, for example?
Yeah, of course, iron, metals.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, corrosive.
From the strong
acid. Berkarat, like actually. It takes time actually, but can
be used. Okay, pollutants.
Pollutants is a substance that pollutants is the what is the key? Pollutants is I know, Miss. The pollutants like in our environment that dangerous for us. Not dangerous actually, the definition. Pollutants is a substance that make our environment become dirty. Like that, Miss.
Additional explanation?
In the additional explanation, the pollutants is from carbon dioxide. It can be, if you breathe the carbon dioxide, it can make your body become sick.
Okay.
Pollutants.
What can these pollutants cause? You put here.
So many vehicles, the vehicles can, and also the use smoking and the fabrics and so many things, Miss, actually.
I mean, these pollutants, what can these pollutants cause?
Oh, from that one.
Menyebabkan apa lah?
Oh, the pollutants can make our environment.
Besides that,
And also, what else?
you put in the additional explanation. I want to know. Do you remember or not?
Pollutants can make what? Yeah, I forgot.
Okay, we move. Lime water.
Lime water is a substance that from calcium hydroxide. So it for test the gases. If you want to produce the gas, you can use the lime water. So in extra explanation, there is a when lime water and calcium hydroxide. When lime water combine or react with the solution, it will produce the white precipitate gases because it's to test the gas, the lime water.
Okay. Lime water, why they put air kapur? Lime water is air kapur.
Iya, in bahasa yes, Miss.
Lime water nggak jeruk nipis?
Bukan. Air kapur. That's why calcium hydroxide Ca in the chemistry in the chemical reaction.
So it means the meaning of lime water not only one, yeah.
No, Miss, not that one. Yeah. Actually, my student also asked me about that before, but I explained not that one actually. In this one is about chemical. So there is calcium hydroxide. Yeah, calcium is Ca with hydroxide is oxygen and hydrogen.
Okay. Litmus.
Litmus paper is an indicator that you can use to test whether it's acid or alkalis. So like I explained before, if it's acid, it will
Alkalis or alkaline?
alkalinity. The title is acids and alkalis.
Alkalis. So why do you put alkaline? What is alkaline? What is alkalis?
Just same means actually.
Same.
Alkaline, you can find it in the battery. I put alkaline there, yeah.
Yes, alkaline. And then slippery.
Slippery is the properties that it's so how to say, it cannot grip because it's so smooth, the smooth surface. So it is the properties of alkalis, like cleansing.
The properties of alkalis.
Yeah, the
Smooth.
slippery.
Is it same with the properties of
Different, Miss.
one more just
acid.
now? What is that?
Acid and alkalis. Properties of alkalis, like
If acid, it's not slippery.
no,
Only alkalis.
yeah, only alkalis. You can feel it when you wash your hand with soap.
To make it hard to
Grip.
grit or grit?
Grip, sorry. Grip.
Okay, additional explanation.
Which one?
The slippery.
The slippery, it's the properties of alkalis actually, like soap, like hand washing, like shampoo. So it to explain the properties of alkalis actually, the slippery words.
If acid, strong acid will be dangerous for us, right? How about the alkalis? Is that dangerous?
Some of them, yes, but not all actually.
Like?
Some of them are corrosive also, but
Example?
not. So actually, for acid there is the strong one. Alkalis also there is the strong one. Yes.
Yeah, the example.
Example is like calcium hydroxide. You don't. That's why my student asked me to do the project to use the materials, but I tell them you need to be careful than the things that you use. So many things that we need to use. We need to use the mask, the black mask actually. That's why. So it's same. If there is the weak acid, there is the weak alkalis. There is strong acid, there is a strong alkalis. But if you ask me which one is the dangerous one, it's acid. Alkalis not really, but some of them also
Are dangerous.
also corrosive.
Okay. English. What is costume?
Costume is a special uniform that you use to for an occasion. Like the tango dancing, they use the trouser, they use the shirt.
Shirt. Spin.
Spin is to turn around quickly. It's for the whirling dance. There are so many people together, they are spinning together.
Oh. Dancer.
Dancer is a person that do dancing for job or hobbies.
Additional explanation.
So for the dance, they are in this lesson. So many people dancing together to
Are dancing.
uh-uh,
Two.
to celebrate their national dancing actually. So for the from Argentina it's tango, from Ireland is what just now? From Ireland is step dance, from the Turkey is whirling dance.
Okay. There is no vocabulary list ya for IPA ya.
IPA no miss.
Okay, now we move to homework. So what do people do on National Tango Day in Argentina?
So they are like I said just now, they are dancing together. There are men and man, woman and man dancing together. It can be in a dance hall, it can be in a park, station. They will dance together. Every 11, but I don't write it there. But it in the book, in this book, it's held every 11 December.
11 December. Okay, so what did you give for examples of special dances in our country?
Actually, so many, right, Miss? But in there, I write it's tari, Saman dance from Aceh. So Saman dance from Aceh, they will dance together to clapping hands. Actually, it's will be held to the traditional day. But in Medan, we have not Medan. In North Sumatra, there are from Batak, tari tortor dance, the dancing. Maybe I will practice the dance later in the class, so they will know. Oh, Batak tortor like this, someone like this. Dance.
I think you can also ask them to find out their special dance from their clan.
I will ask them.
That's right.
Dance.
Okay. Now we move to IPA. Kenapa platypus itu hewan unik?
Itulah seperti yang kita bahas tadi bahwa dia masuk ke kelompok mamalia yang pada umumnya mamalia itu melahirkan, tetapi dia bukan karena dia melahirkan, tapi karena dia memiliki kelenjar susu. Jadi walaupun dia bertelur, dia masuk ke mamalia karena dia memiliki kelenjar susu dan anaknya menyusui melalui sel-sel rambutnya seperti itu. Jadi ini termasuk hal yang unik. Seperti Gitu, Miss.
Jadi di mana platypus ini banyak ditemukan?
Di Australia bagian timur.
Jadi apa yang digunakan platypus betina untuk membuat sarang?
Daun eukaliptus.
Apa yang membedakan alga dan lumut?
Si alga ini dia tidak punya rhizoid. Rhizoid itu akar-akar halus, tapi lumut ada sedikit akar-akarnya. Kalau Miss pernah mencabut lumut itu ada akar-akarnya.
Apa itu marsupialia? Marsupialia.
Marsupialia ini adalah hewan berkantung. Hewan berkantung seperti si kanguru dan koala.
Apakah anemon laut termasuk dalam kelompok tumbuhan?
Tidak, dia memang sering bersama tumbuhan yang berfotosintesis, tapi dia itu hewan sebenarnya. Dia bukan tumbuhan.
Kanguru ini termasuk subkelas apa ini?
Dia masuk ke Marsupialia.
Marsupialia atau marsupialia?
Marsupialia, sorry, Marsupialia. Marsupia, ya.
Bagaimana reproduksi kanguru ini?
Dia melahirkan, tetapi seperti yang saya bilang tadi, setelah anaknya lahir, anaknya nggak langsung mandiri, nggak seperti anak kucing dibiarkan langsung. Anaknya masuk lagi ke dalam kantungnya. Nah, itulah yang menyempurnakan tubuh si anak. Ketika si anak siap, barulah anaknya hidup mandiri.
What is one property of alkalis?
One properties of alkalis is that
Yes,
multiple choice. What? Yeah, the example. Can I explain another things?
It's okay.
It's bitter. It's slippery. Yeah. Like
The
that.
color?
The color. There's color there. Different.
Oh
actually.
yeah. Okay. The paper. I mean.
Oh, it will turn the red litmus paper into blue. Not only the red, the red into blue, still blue.
Oh, okay. So if the blue,
No
doesn't.
change for the alkalis.
So what happens when acid react with metals?
It's produce the gas, hydrogen gas.
So what is the main function of acid in our stomach?
It help us to. I know the answer to our. Give me.
Pardon?
It help us to wait first. The pencernaan, Miss. Pencernaan.
Yeah, what is the answer?
Give me the clue.
I'll get it again, yeah.
Okay.
Next,
It help us. Digest food. It help us to digest food in our stomach, right?
Okay. Yes. So, what is the example of an alkali used in laboratory?
Alkalis is calcium hydroxide. We use calcium hydroxide.
Calcium, is it?
Yeah, calcium hydroxide. Another example is alkalis. So many actually, but I write calcium hydroxide there. My major is chemistry when
Okay, then.
Oh my
It's
god.
okay.
But I cannot explain more in English. Bahasa maybe.
Bahasa baby. It means that you haven't read all, right? Okay, so please describe simple how alkalis are used in everyday life.
Oh, in our daily life, so many products use alkalis like soap, like hand washing, like shampoo. So we use it. Yeah, it's the things from alkalis that we use in our daily lives.
Have you ever tasted so that you know that
I know.
the taste is bitter?
Have. When I'm take a bath, yeah, kan?
You
Taste
try
the shampoo.
because you are curious. Yes.
Maybe when I was young, right, Miss, I eat the shampoo. Oh, bitter like this. And then when I go to the campus, oh, I know that's why we say that alkalis is bitter. This is the example of alkalis.
Oh, okay. All right, I think it's enough for the evaluation for today, Miss. But my input here for English and IPA, sorry, for English and IPA, you can find out more sources, right, to support your explanation in the class,
Okay,
to
Miss.
make it also interesting to be learned
Okay.
by the students,
Thank
like
you.
the platypus, the characteristic platypus, and then what is special about platypus, and then for English, like the dance, what makes three kinds of them are different and special, like that.
Okay, Miss.
I think only that. For others, you could explain them well, so I think you pass in these evaluations.
Thank you,
Thank
Miss.
you, Miss.